Okay, come on in. Come on in the door. And right here we have Waken Farm stuff. This is my friend Jen's pickles and jams. My favorite right now is the peach jam. And also, if you want an easy appetizer, then get some of her candied jalapeños and just put that over a softened brick of cream cheese. And you've got an appetizer ready to go. Oh, look, there's so much cute turkey stuff here. And I really appreciate the fact, girls, that you're not going straight to Christmas, that you are giving Thanksgiving its due.
Why would you skip one of the best holidays ever?
It is the best holiday. Look at these cute pickle kitchen towels. Okay, all this is from my friend Jen. So Jen, where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay, I have to turn slowly so I don't make anybody seasick. Here you go. Okay, so, the other thing.
And we have samples today.
Yes, okay, look here at the sample table. And they're all free calories today. They're all free calories. I'm not sure about the political correctness of the candy cigarettes, but boy, they do remind me of my dad. You know, the pictures of my dad in the 1950s. Well, all of them. This is retro. It is the retro relish tray. I love it. And there's lots of fun retro things here. Okay, something else that's going into my basket right here are a bunch of, look at these cute turkey and acorn cookies. Aren't those adorable? Okay, so I'm having a bunch of those on my Thanksgiving table. And these poppies, they may look like they're fake, but they're not. Those are, I know, that's what I said. They may look like they're fake, but no, they're real from A Date with Iris, and aren't they absolutely exquisite? Oh, the other thing that I might have to go home with, Jen, is some of your pickled beets.
Okay.
You know I'm a girl who loves pickled beets. Okay, now look at this stuff. This retro stuff is just so cute. Look at these little turkey salt and peppers. This stuff is from A Date with Iris. So if you need to come and get a centerpiece or some cute little table decorations, or a great big headless turkey, or is that display only, Chris?
Well, it's display, but
okay, but
that's
isn't
something
okay?
that Amy paper mached that for us. It's
Oh, really? I love it.
I've got a turkey leg out here.
I love it. And then she's got all of these retro postcards.
It started with a giant turkey leg.
Can I have a pickle? Oh my gosh, cuteness everywhere. Oh, and I love.
But we've got inflatable.
Okay, so I bought some of these Caspari turkey napkins for my dessert buffet.
You can never go wrong with Caspari as far as I'm
No,
concerned.
you can never go wrong, except for sometimes I feel kind of guilty using them because they're just so beautiful. But then I think, you know what? Get over it.
Get over it. Why? Life's too short to use a paper towel or your sleeve, right?
No, that's true. And the other thing I think everybody needs is an inflatable turkey.
Well, welcome. I'm welcome.
Looky here, an inflatable turkey here.
And a book for the turkey. Gotta put it somewhere. This is Linda. Yeah. Do you know Linda Bobby?
I do. Okay, say hello. Say hello. Hey, sweet pea. I give you a hug, except for I'm filming.
Oh, and I'm like right in the middle of your film.
Hey, guess what? Johnny came home from Singapore last night.
Oh my gosh. And he's here for
he's here for,
holidays?
he's here for Thanksgiving. But yeah.
and
Yeah.
I saw you had a little grandbaby.
I know I had a grandbaby. It's just beyond.
Isn't it the
It's
most
just,
amazing
yeah,
thing in
it
the
is just
world?
beyond. How's your crew?
I have two.
Oh my
Sophia
gosh.
and Felix.
I'm behind.
Yes.
I'm behind. Okay, this table has great, great stuff. These baskets are amazing. And oh my goodness, these Christmas decorations. I'm really eyeing the peace dove right here. This right here. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Oh, and you've got the monster too, the snow monster. Cute, cute. Okay, so tell me who you are.
I'm Sarah with Pambegana's Global Market.
Okay.
We have a brick and mortar store at North Park Mall at 122nd May
Okay.
Avenue. And we're doing this pop-up just with a small selection of some of the beautiful items.
Oh, you've got wonderful things. I saw Chris came away. She already has a basket. Oh, you've got these Conta napkins. Are these the napkins, I think?
Those are dishcloths. Yeah, so
Or dishcloths?
dish towels. They're super popular.
Because
They come in
I,
sets of 3. Each one is
yeah,
different.
those are great. I got them to use as napkins with my tablecloth.
A lot of people use them as napkins as well. Yep.
Ooh, I'm going to have to visit your store.
Good. Welcome Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6. We'll only be there till Christmas Eve.
And then you pack everything up. Okay. We'll make sure to check out her stall here or her brick and mortar at North Park Mall. Ooh, spicy crackers and all sorts of spicy jellies. Sand plum jelly. That's a very Oklahoma thing. And if you need a cup of coffee, we got you covered with all the goodies, all the flavors.
Sorry. We went after you if you may.
So if you're in the Oklahoma City area, these are two things that can be kind of hard to find. Number one, they have individual paper white bulbs. So if you don't want those that are already pre-potted and pre-staged, then here's where you can find them. A number of people have asked me. And the other thing is, look at these gorgeous sugar pine cones. This one is absolutely stunning. Look how long it is. I'm not sure how much these guys are, but you can find them here at Brix. They also have jumbo amaryllis bulbs, huge in all different colors, both boxed for gifts and then loose. I'm going to be potting up my amaryllis this week. And then there's this lady here, and she's selling some of her books, A Year of Garden-Inspired Living. And they've got other books here as well.
Thanks for coming to the relish tray.
I'm loving the relish tray.
It's fun. Hopefully Linda shows up.
Oh, and I love this vintage Cavallini paper. Okay, those are fun. Like I need one more tote. But I also love this vintage art on the wall. I actually bought one of these not too long ago, and I think Stuart did too.
Hey Chris, where's this stick? Right. Okay, perfect.
Dried wreaths. Ooh, isn't that half wreath beautiful with those ribbons? All garden grown. Ooh, great poppy seed heads. I love these kind of pop-up shops and seeing other people's creativity. Okay, so, well, I'm just shooting video Chris is trying to make my stuff. Chris is trying to make my. Oh, okay. Stuff look cute. Oh, by the way, lots of artwork here. Paintings from local artists. Talent everywhere. And look at these. Oh, those are from needle juice. What a cute name. Oh my word. Linda, that's incredible.
Thank you. I'm taking orders for Christmas.
You're taking, seriously?
Yeah.
For a smoked salmon?
Uh-huh.
I want one. I definitely want one. Oh my gosh.
And this is
This is an abundance of riches. And look at the, I can't wait for you to get that plastic off there. That looks absolutely incredible. So Linda, if somebody wants to order one of
I'll
your
give you my
salmon, okay, well, can you tell my audience right here? Do you have a
Oh.
website? Yeah,
I
sorry.
don't have a website, but it's Linda Tripp,
Okay.
linda.tripp@gmail.com.
Okay,
Very
Linda.trippe,
PPE.
PPE, okay, Linda.trippe@gmail.com,
Or you
okay,
can go 405-830-2007.
okay, very good.
I need some money. I forgot.
Need some money?
You want my?
Don't we all?
I was gonna get a.
Okay.
Here, I'll give you.
Oh
This
my,
one just happens
oh
to have
my
asparagus.
gosh. So Linda, if somebody wants to order this, how much is a salmon tray like this?
I would call that about 150.
Okay, that is gorgeous.
With bread, with caper relish. I
Oh,
don't
my
have to
word.
do asparagus, but I just had it, so.
Okay, well,
It kind of depends on the price of the salmon.
okay, well, I'm going to be your first order.
Thank you. And I can deliver it
Thank
to
you for your service. Linda also has vintage clothing, and she was saying that somebody was shooting a movie in her house. I haven't asked her yet what movie, but she said she's ready for them to be gone. I can understand that. I mean, this is the place to be right now. And by the way, this is the Thanksgiving version, and I believe they're also going to do a Christmas version. And I'll obviously let you know about that well in advance. I mean, lots of Christmas gifts are being bought today. Running into lots of friends.
They smell nice.
Oh, everything smells absolutely incredible. So, what kinds do you have? What all do you have?
We have Grand Fir, Douglas,
Okay.
Noble Fir, and Nordman Fir.
Nordman. I've not even heard of that. Okay, so these are all on the large size. Do you have smaller ones?
I do not.
Okay.
There are some that are smaller than others. But unfortunately, we were shorted our next smaller tree. This is our 6'7". So
Okay, well that's good size.
this is a good sized tree. It's going to
Yeah.
be real nice.
Okay.
This is our small tree right now.
Okay. Well,
The size down, unfortunately, did not come.
okay. Well, I do not approve of putting up your Christmas tree till after Thanksgiving. I know we all differ on that. But I don't like to put up my tree until after Thanksgiving is over. But you guys can come here and you can get a Christmas tree at Brix and a bunch of other goodies too. Well, I think I am going to head out and go see Johnny, who got home last night from Singapore, late last night. I tried to get him up here to enjoy some of the goodies and some of the food, but he's a little bit jet lagged. Now, I think Brix is going to do another one of these around Christmas time. So definitely stay tuned. I'll be posting it on Instagram, and I will let you guys know when that event is. But if you are intrigued by a retro Thanksgiving, then this would be the place to be. Well, that was a ton of fun. I'm back home again. I've got my chicken in the pot because my son Johnny is home, and we are going to make chicken and dumplings for dinner. And I came home with a couple of turkey cookies, compliments of my friend Jen. And now I think I am going to put my feet up, have a cup of coffee, and wait for Johnny to get over his jet lag and wake up for a nice long visit. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and thanks for hanging out with me at the relish tray.